Hello viewers and welcome to my channel again. First of all, sorry that it's been very late that I have been uploaded my video. It's been almost 45 to 50 days. Due to some personal reason, I was unable to upload the videos. And another thing that please mention in my comment that whether you guys wanted to make the video in Hindi or English, because lots of comments are being called out where whenever I upload the video in English, they told me that please upload in Hindi, and lots of audience are also asking for English video also. So it's been so much video which has been uploaded in Hindi, so I am trying to do this video in English, so pardon my English if I am getting wrong in somewhere. So today's topic is like what is web server and how does it work in Siemens PLC. So basically I just want to know, I just want to tell you that web server is nothing but if you will type a IP address, likewise this kind of dashboard you are going to get wherever you will type a IP address of a PLC, you are going to get a dashboard like this. So first of all, if I will type right now, because my PLC has been not running, if I will type now, you are going to get an error because there is no activation of PLCs and all. So this is nothing but my PLC which is being previously created. So let's start. First of all, you need to take care of two things, that you need to have a actual PLC. Otherwise, because I don't have a actual PLC, I just want to try it from S7 PLC Sim Advanced. So what is S7 PLC Sim Advanced? This is nothing but it is a virtual PLC which is better than PLC Sim which we were using earlier. So here you can see I have created TCP IP single adapter and it is a local, and this is name called as PLC1. If I will type it, you will see there is a name called as PLC1, and the IP address I need to set is like 192.168.0.1 as usual, and the subnet mask is nothing but 255. Those who are having actual PLC, they don't need to see this section, they can skip the video. Otherwise you can see the virtual Ethernet adapter also. Okay, so now our PLC Sim advanced version 6.0 is running and the PLC is in stop mode with this IP. Here also you can see detected IP address of 1 PLC_1. So I just want to make the video very short, so I will start with some quick speed. Controllers I am going to add S7 1500, 1552. My favorite PLC is like 2AM02. So the how to add the PLC and controllers, this has been already made in a video. You can go through it and check on it. Also there is a problem with TI portal version 19, not exactly for PLC version 19. This is for the PLC Sim adapter. I was simply doing like untick on this one and go with that, but for PLC Sim advanced, I think we need to set a password. I am just setting up a dummy password. Dummy password in the sense you need to have at least small case, at least uppercase, and some of the numbers as well as some characters. Okay, special characters I mean. So I have set a PLC address. I just want to untick this one in case of future if I will use that one, and instead of no access I will choose as full access. In back, what does mean only secure PGPC communication? If I will not untick this one, then it will not communicate with a HMI or a PC which are not being secured. So you need to untick this one to access to any of the HMI. Okay, and I have given full access permission to the PLC. Here it is some summary. Let's finish it out. So here you can see the PLC has been added in property window. If I will go to there, you need to have a IP address which has to be similar to the PLC Sim adapter. You can see 192.168.0.1. in adapter also we are having 192.168.0.1, and the name is PLC_1. This is very topmost important thing. The instance name and the PLC name of in your project has to be similar, otherwise your PLC Sim advanced will not be work. Okay, so we have checked the IP address also. Now we are going to get the protection and security section, where you will see there is a option called connection mechanism. Otherwise we will see the all the security thing. I have set up some password. I have given permission to full access. Here is the most important thing called as permit access with put get communication from remote partner. Okay. So this is basically the part 1 video of another future video, which is very interesting video, that how you can export a Excel sheet, or how you can log some data, on your Excel sheet, and how you can access that Excel sheet of the PLC direct to your laptop or your PC. So this is basically a part 1 video. So permit access, I have made it tick, otherwise your data will not be shown in your HMI or something. Now I am going to set up the time. It is not important, but it is important for the next video. So as I am Indian region, so I will choose as UTC 5:30, which is Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi. Okay. And the last but not the least, and the topmost priority is web server. I am activating the web server. We will summarize the web server totally. I have activated the web server, and that web server has to be accessed through HTTPS. And what are the things I need to monitor? That I am going to monitor the CPU diagnostics, some of the read files or write files, and perform a firmware update also. The firmware update or backup I can make it through the web browser. If I want to read the tag address, basically I am just clicking on all of the option. So because I become the administrative right now. You will see, if I will untick something, then the status will be like restricted. You are only restricted to some of the PLC's features. So I am just clicking on it so that I will become an administrative. There is no need of clicking on all the things, but I am just clicking on it. So all things are set. I just don't want to make some program, but I want to download it on. And you can see it is called as Realtek, but we are having another option called as Siemens PLC SIM Virtual Ethernet Adapter. So I am gonna choose it. Yeah. So right now you can see it is searching for the PLC. Yeah, it has been searched. Now directly load on it. Let's see if we are having some error or something. Nope, I think we are good to go. Just we need to enter the password, which we have been already set. It is, I'm not going to mention that one. Load it. I'm gonna start the module. Here you can see it is showing error. It has been already automatically generated, but I'm gonna type on it. Likewise, we have clicked on HTTPS command. So HTTPS : sorry, it's been triple T. HTTPS : type the IP address 0.1. Let's see if we are getting some error or it is going directly. Yeah. So in advance, you need to just proceed. You can see the PLC which has been downloaded in our virtual Ethernet adapter is right now on. If I will go into enter, then here you go. This is the local page, and as we have set the PLC time as 5:30, it is showing right now. That's why I was showing the time is like 11:32 p.m. So, and the date is also okay. In start page, you will see the PLC address. In PLC, the PLC is in run mode, so the green LED is showing. If you are having some error, then the error LED will show. And what are the project version? It is TI Portal version 19. Project name is project 1. I haven't save in project 1. You can see project 1, so it is showing as project 1. And what are the PLC name? PLC_1. Module type CPU 15152_1. Likewise, it is showing. You can stop the PLC and you can run the PLC as well from the Google Chrome. Also you can protect it through username and password as well. There is nothing to worry about it. Here you can see it is running. In diagnostic section you will see some of the firmware version and all the things is showing, how your program is being protected, what is your memory allocations, runtime information, all the things is going to show you. Whatever the things in TI portal version 19 in online and diagnostics, whatever the things you are seeing in your TI portal version 19, the whole things you are going to see from the IP address, means in web browser. So basically your web browser need, but your laptop or mobile, wherever you are typing the IP address and trying to communicate with PLC, it has to be in the same network where the PLC is also running. So that thing only matters. Otherwise all the things you can see, some alarms also you can see, what are the communication things you are going to see, you can see. Okay, the most important thing which is for the part 2 video, which is file browser. In file browser also you can see the file things and data logs. Here we are going to work on the next video, so that is very important. For that only I have made this video, so that you will get the data logs. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you are having any doubts or anything, then you can comment on it. So all of the videos are going to be in Hindi for this chapter, especially for a web server and the data logging concept. It is going to be in English, sorry, it is going to be in English. If you guys want to make it in Hindi, then let's see if the video features is having automatic caption options. Otherwise you can see on the video caption option whether you are going to get a Hindi video comments or not. Okay, thank you, and I hope you please, if you are liking my video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.